I must be nuts. 5 something in the morning, it's pitch black, and it's raining. All this for a fish. All right. Rain has stopped. Birds are starting to chirp. Maybe I should go fishing. Let's see. Now along the rugged shorelines, you're going to get pipipis. Those are the little black nerites on the rocks here. And this is all wind and wave-driven areas. And sometimes you luck out. Sometimes you will get the occasional Opihi just laying in the water or out of the water. Alright guys, this is my designated work area. Every angler should have that. I have a bucket of water here to rinse my hand off from handling bait. Got some water, shears, pliers, bait thread. I got my throwaway line here, and up here at about 100 feet away, there's a receptacle. So I'm going to throw all my garbage there. I got all my leftovers from my rod wraps, my reels. I got my spray bottle water, some leader line, some tape measures. So this is my work area. Everybody should have a work area. Okay, as you can see here, I just put on 2 pieces of Opihi limpet meat onto the hook. I tied the first one in with bait thread. The second one in, I just hooked it double at the tip. See what happens. All right, sun is trying to break through. I've been here. Been rained on early this morning, so I got my not so secret bait. Got my Opihi shells, my limpet meat. Okay, but I have my Rockaway HD. This is the 12-footer, guys. One is rated for 6 to 16 ounces. Okay, right here, that's my Central spinning reel, 14,000 series, rated for 44 pounds. So it's a decent surf rig. I got everything set up over here. My cord and my bell. So we're just going to give this a gentle toss out. Kind of dirty today. Well, so much for a gentle toss. Put this into the rod holder. Okay. Put the safety cord on. You know, $1-2 safety cord, just with the binder clip, can save a couple $100 rig. It's worth it. Trust me, it's worth it. And my bell. Tighten up a little bit more. There we go. We're ready, man. We're ready. Okay, now I got my baby that was born in this location. The thought process was born here. This is my 13.3. This is the Hawaii Custom Series surf rod. All right, I also got a Cedros spinner on this. Also got a my special bait. There you go. Opihi limpet shell. So, you just want a gentle toss out. Gonna go more on the inside on the flats here. That's where the bonefish tend to hang out. Woohoo! Wow, what a toss. Watch your step. First step's a doozy here. Put the safety cord on. Put the bell on. Bell's a little bit higher, but slide them on. That'll tell me if something nibbling or if I have a strike going on. Alrighty then. See what's going to happen. That one again is going ding, 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 ding. But one nice thing about the Opihis, that meat is tough. See how the line's going up, the tip's going up and down? There's something nibbling at it. See that? And every once in a while, it nibbles hard and the bell goes off. But what's good about that is that thing's been out there for about 40 minutes. I checked it. The bait's still fine. But the meat is tough. See that? Something's over there grinding on it. The meat is tough. It's hard to actually chew pieces off of that Opihi since I put it through the hook twice. So the only other choice is for them to grab, swallow, and run. See what happens. Okay, that Opihi I just showed you, I just pulled the animal out. See that? Look, there's the foot, yellow foot, and the gut sack. So I'm going to use that because something nibbled the bait off of this one. So I go to the top part, like so, and then to the bottom part of the foot, and I keep the gut sack on because look at that. That's all galas, all the beautiful juices that's going to bring in what we want. That's what's going to attract them in. Here comes a storm. Huge rain clouds, winds, and lightning. Yeehaw! It is pouring. Alright, I took one of my rods down. I went back to the car, dropped it off in between the rainforest. Another one coming off from the mountains. And we have another one over there that's coming in from the ocean. So I get caught between the both of them. If this keeps up, I think I'm going to have to head out of here because I mean, water shouldn't be much of a problem, but it is a downer. Woohoo! Sun's up, but it's still storming, pouring like crazy. Well, as soon as I get the next break, I'm going home already. I already took down one way, and I'll take down the other. This is ridiculous. Try it again another day.